Ever since I can remember, I have dreamed of visiting this breathtaking waterfall called La Silampa, known for its stunning turquoise waters and thrilling cliff jumps. It was finally the time to make the dream reality. We started our journey at early morning 2 am and ready for the 4-hour drive ahead. The anticipation was electric as we cruised through the quiet roads, fueled by the promise of adventure. On our way, we made a pit stop at La Yeguada, a serene lakeside camp surrounded by towering pine trees. We rested there for about 20 minutes, a perfect moment to recharge before the hike. After that refreshing break, we drove to the trailhead where we parked the car, and it was just $5 for the parking and $1 per person to enter into the park. It felt great to finally be here. We started our hike at around 7:15 am, and the trail was moderate to hard, with most of it leading us down through the breathtaking views. Every step felt like we are getting closer to the paradise. Oh, continuous inclination. And you see, waterfall is right there and there. I left my friends. They're too slow. I hate climbing down, man. I hate it. I can climb up, like whatever the distance it is, but I hate climbing down. And I'm doing it like from last 30 minutes. It's like my legs are like shivering. We are almost there. Maybe like in next 10-15 minutes. I can see it. I couldn't see the waterfall, but I can see the place from where we can see the that La Silampa. I didn't expect this. I'm not expecting this level hard. I did many times these kind of hikes, but it's been like almost I got 2 months of gap doing this. Oh my god, let me show you how it is. I hope you can be able to see. You see how steep? Sun is right in front of me. Ouch. Yeah. Okay, I need to find a room. Yes, this is good. I'm almost near. If you see that right there is a shed. That is the starting point. From there, maybe I think after this hill, maybe we can get the view of that sinkhole. Let's see. You see, we climbed all the way down, and we still have to go there. And if you see, still my friends are over here. I hope you can see them. Guys, this is not fair. They're asking like 3 times. At the car parking, they took $1, and again in the middle of the trail, they took $1 more per person, and now again. They can't say anything. This is their place, and this is the only way that they can generate money. And don't ask me about my Spanish. Like, it's been almost more than a year and a half I came here, but if you ask me how much Spanish I know, nada. After about an hour, we arrived, and wow, the sight was mesmerizing. Clear waters, inviting us for a swim and thrilling cliff jumps. It was more beautiful than I had imagined.
Guys, I don't know whether you could able to hear me or not. I am finally here. You see the color of it, and this have very good cliff jumps I can see, and I saw in few we can jump from there and there. Let's enjoy.
I couldn't resist the urge to jump in, and the water was perfect. The views were unreal, and every moment felt like a slice of heaven. After a fantastic time, we began our journey back around 12:30 p.m.
Finally started back, and we are going in a different route. Hope this will be not that tough as the one which we came. Let's see. Oh my god, you see there? Now I have to climb all the way from here, there, like that, and to the top of the mountain. It's gonna be hard. Yeah, you see, I'm almost there. Maybe like next another 200 meters. You see, there is a hut there. We're walking from that far. And I'm doing it in a good pace. And if you see, my friends are over here. Okay, let's do it.
The climb was tough, but I was confident as I have done this many times before. However, I quickly realized that I had left my water with my friends.
I guess I have to do that. Guys, I'm sweating like crazy, and the bad thing is I don't have the water with me. I left it with my friends, and they're almost half kilometer far from me. I don't know what to do. And if I see, there is so much to climb yet. There is so much. In another way, I'm loving it because I like to climb than to descend. But it is taking out my breath. And you see, everything, I'm completely dehydrated now. Oh my god, guys, I still have to climb until there. I guess I don't know how it gonna go without water. I can see there is some stream there. At least I can wash my face. So I hope it will get me some hydration. Let's see. I found a water stream. I don't know what to do. I will not drink it. Only This will keep me to hydrate for some time at least. Finally I came to the flat land. I guess from here onwards we have to do complete down, like we have to climb down all the way whatever we came up. Oh, I forgot to show you how high we came. Very far, very difficult. Let me show you. Guys, I don't know whether you can see it or not. I'll tell you how far we came. You see, this is the way. I hope you can see the way. This is the way where we went to the falls. I mean, it is somewhere in the down there, and then we did all the way. We climbed this mountain, the one we can see here, and again we came this way. You see, people are still coming, and all the way up. Now, if you see, we have to go all the way down there. There are trees, right? Until that far we have to go. Oh my god, but this is like a going down, so I don't think it will be that tiring, but it will not be exciting. Going up will test your patience. Going down is nothing, just simply climbing down, and your toes will pain like anything when you're going down, and you'll get cramps as well. It's not that easy, but it is not challenging.
After an hour and a half of climbing, I finally made it back to the car. It was a tough hike, but it is all worthwhile. We started our drive back home, exhausted yet thrilled. This adventure will be etched in my memory forever, and I can't wait for the next one.